have some guest designers today. This is our guest designer, Olivia, and our guest designer, Emery. Thank you for joining me. So they're going to show you guys one of our new little kits that we put together. In our kit, we have our pretty little blue vases like this, and a bundle of flowers. We're calling this like our little bit of sunshine, right? Everybody needs a little bit of sunshine right now. And maybe you need to give it to a neighbor or just a friend who needs to smile. This would be a fun thing to do at home, okay? So in your kit, you're gonna get pretty little flowers. And what is this pretty little thing you have here?
It's a little butterfly on a little stick.
I like that. Isn't that gonna be fun to play with?
Yes.
All right, so here is your vase, Olivia, and Emery, here is your vase. And so we're gonna start with our pretty little yellow flowers. It looks nice with your dress, Emery.
I know.
And then, so sometimes when you're making flowers, when I'm putting them together, I like to have like a high and a medium and a low. You know how there's 3 points on a triangle? Is that right, Emery? Yeah? So you see how there's 3 points on my triangle?
Yeah.
So that will give me my odd little numbers, okay? So then we have 3 of these little green guys that are kind of wild and crisp colors. So just like we did our little flowers, can you do 3 points? 1 high, 1 medium, and 1 low?
Yeah, and they have little berries, pretend berries.
I like that. And we could always add some fresh in with it too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is my favorite one. It looks
What
so,
is that?
It's like a little, it's like a little petunia.
Well, that's a tulip. You're a little petunia. That's a tulip. You're a petunia. All right, so you're gonna have 3 points, right? So that everybody on all sides, wherever you spin, it's just happy and cheery, right? Everyone can be a little different, you know? All right, and then we kind of go to some of our, like we have odd numbers, and then we have single numbers. So if you want, you got a little white flower and your little petunia tulip. Hello, little petunia tulip. Can you put these in for us? Now you slide that into a pretty little spot. It's always nice to like spin your designs too
I
to
like
make
to
sure.
put it on the little side.
Oh, I like that.
There you
That
go.
was very nice. Now where's your little tulip gonna go?
My nose.
Well, that's a good spot too. But what about in the vase? Maybe somewhere we can put it right there in the center.
Maybe like we can like put it like right there.
Oh, I like it. All right, slide that right in there.
And
We're starting to get a little snug, which is great.
That's how far it goes.
Oh, I like that. So there's just
Oh,
that
there
one
you
of a
go.
kind, makes it look fresh. And then we have a little bits of green to finish it off, a little fern.
And the finishing touch is a little better.
How did you know that? You're just so natural at this. So the butterfly is the most fun, right? So let's put it in our flowers.
You look beautiful.
Thank you. Oh yeah, that's quite nice, quite nice. So then we can have our butterfly be flying. We can have him coming up to smell a flower. Where would you like your butterfly?
I would like my butterfly coming up to smell the petunia.
Okay, so then, that is a tulip, not a petunia.
I'm calling it a petunia.
Okay, so this is a fun little wire that's gonna be on there, and you can twist it onto your petunia tulip, or you can slide it just right into your vase, Olivia. And my favorite thing about this, if you take your little finger, or if you wanna take like a pencil at home, you just kind of go around and it makes a little boing, like a boing, boing, boing.
Yeah, I like that.
And then you can boing, 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 boing right at your petunia tulip. So who could you give this to? Like someone on the street that maybe needs a little flower?
Maybe I can give it to one of my friends.
That would be really nice. What about you, Ia? Would you give this to a neighbor or something?
I'll give it to
I'll
me.
keep it. We're gonna give one. You could keep one and then you could give one. That would be nice, right? All right, guys. So hopefully you guys want to do this at home. You think this is kind of a fun little easy thing if we send it to you?
And this is a YouTube video, so you have to give us
Thumbs up if you
Thumbs
like
up.
our video.
Mhm.
Right?
thumbs up if you like the video.
Yay!
All right, bye, guys.
Say bye. Bye.
Bye.